Alright, we are on our way up north. This is Shelby's first time going up north. We got the baby in the front seat, the two other ones in the back.
It's all of our first time.
And we have a ton of stuff.
Too much stuff.
Overpacked by a ton.
Yeah.
So now we gotta go get a bag of ice. We have to go get some food, coffee, and I gotta get gas. So
Nice.
we're here. Shelby, how was your 2-hour nap?
Not long enough.
Yeah, I feel ya. Now all these dogs can get out and go to the restroom.
Booney, is your first, what do we call this?
UTV ride.
Yeah.
I'm worried about the cops out here.
Are you?
No.
Ooh, bumpy. Lines are these.
Charlie the plumber is right there. I think that's his old one. And then the black one over there, right there, that's his Menards blind that he did a review on, which we'll link in the description. And this is his food plots.
I remember this from the video he did. How would I remember if I didn't watch it?
So we can't really drive through it, but we gotta drive around. I actually don't know how to get through the woods anymore because I haven't been through these in years.
What's up there?
Where?
Up there.
That's his bow blind.
He goes up those steps?
He used to. He's a little bit fatter now. But really, I don't know how to get through these woods because there used to be a giant trail that would follow this way.
But that's like the way we came.
Yeah, it is. We're gonna go over by Pops area.
Whoop.
Almost better going a little bit faster. Oh. Maybe you should put your seatbelt on.
Ooh.
Someone did good over here. Look at this.
Wasn't Charlie the plumber?
Charlie the plumber, you need to learn from whoever built this
Is this
food
lettuce?
plot. I don't know, get out and eat it.
No. Looks like lettuce. Ooh, which way are you gonna take?
This way. I think it's one big circle.
Oh.
Come here, Roo. Ruger, come. Come on. Come here. You're not supposed to eat the water. Oh, I'm just gonna lay down. Oh. It's so mucky. Come on. Come here, Ruger. Come here. probably a fish.
Hey. Babe, they're going around.
Okay, we've been here for a couple hours now. Dogs are running rampant. They've been swimming all day. It's about 2:30, 2:45-ish. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit. Then I think we might ride the mopeds up to All Gray or go up to Rainbow and get dinner. Alright, so now we're going for a moped ride. These dogs have been pestering the heck out of us.
Yeah.
Running around eating apples, swimming, anything you can imagine. They're just doing everything to pester us. So we're gonna throw them in the cage for a little bit, take a moped ride around the square, and then go from there. Shelby's gonna see if she can hang this up and not let it blow
fall
up.
because there's no clothespin.
It's gonna be fine. We are on our way to dinner. We just rode uptown in the very big town of Twining.
It's huge.
Huge.
Biggest town I've ever seen. And
we got some booze and some other things. Shelby decided to spend $87 just on booze. And
no, you got Doritos and snacks.
It doesn't matter. It's all about you. So now we're gonna go to Rainbow Garden, have dinner. It's always recommended that you have the pizza, is what Chuck says, Charlie the plumber. But we'll see what we're gonna get. Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. So Shelby, how was your first experience at Rainbow?
It was good. The salad was so big that it could have probably fed 4 people.
Yeah, and it was a $10 salad.
Yeah.
And she wanted to get the $18 walleye.
It sounded good.
That would have been the size of this. No chance. What does she think? I'm made of money? I got a Philly cheesesteak with no pepper.
No pepper.
I would say if I had to Yelp review that restaurant, I've been going there for a long time. Shelby, what would you Yelp review it? She's one of those major Yelp reviewers. She would give it like a 2.5. I would definitely give it like a 9.
Is that a 5 or a 10?
10.
Oh,
Have you ever hit?
I'd give it. I just downloaded Yelp a couple of months ago. I don't really use it.
Oh, we're not getting that in depth. So, anyways, score.
I would say 7.
Cool. It's just
okay,
old dive bar is really what it is.
Diner. It's not a
Old
bar.
dive diner.
Yeah.
We're going back to the cabin. We're going to probably change and feed the dogs and then probably build a fire. Unfortunately, the fire pit's built up so friggin' high that we have to take a whole bunch of shit off it. We're going to do that together as a team because teamwork makes the dream work.
What was that?
Sitting this for you. Maybe if it gets late and we're bored, we'll probably see if we can play solitaire or something. Maybe not solitaire, that's a one-person game. But rummy or some shit like that. So, see ya! We're back from dinner and Shelby over there with the puppy making a fire or building a fire and gonna just hang out and relax. So we're out here and we're toasting the fire. There's so many different things about being up north. You look up in the sky, you can actually see the stars. You hear one car every 25 minutes. It's a different vibe up here. It's one of those things that not many people get to experience. I've grown up coming up north, so I've been used to it, but not many people get to experience this. Yeah, we're gonna finish up the night, listening to music, listening to jams, hanging out by the fire.